Welcome! In front of me I have X-WATCH Joli XW Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the XW Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the XW Fit application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, let's find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. In the Bluetooth menu, you should see the list called My Devices, and on this list you should see Joli XW Watch. Find it and tap on the info icon next to it. And here make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. Once it is enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down to the list of applications, find the XW Fit application, it's gonna be at the bottom, right here, tap on it. Here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is enabled, you can close the settings. Now we can open the XW Fit application on our iPhone. In the app, you should see the data page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. Here find the notification option and tap on it. And right here we can enable and disable notifications for specific apps and features. For example, we can enable the notifications for calls, messages. You can also enable notifications for the specific apps like WhatsApp, Gmail, Snapchat, and stuff like that. Basically how it works is, if you enable the notification, let's say for the WhatsApp, and you receive the notifications from the WhatsApp on your iPhone, then the notifications will be forwarded to your watch. But if it's disabled, you will see them only on your iPhone, so they won't be forwarded if the notification is disabled for this app. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the app, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.